Hello, friends and beautiful beginners. So today, in between eating my sourdough I just baked, I am going to paint these little flowers. I wanted to share because they're just something easy. You can sit down, you could add them to, a little card or really whatever you want. Today, I'm going to add them to my junk journal. So it's one brush stroke. So let me open this up. I was starting to do this and I thought I would go ahead and film it. I wanted to show you too, I just finished my little tassel on my junk journal. How fun is that? I got this, it said a ribbon, it says happy every day, came on a little present, and I just kind of gathered different threads I had here. I added this little charm, look how cute that is. So anyway, that's what I'm painting, and I thought, well, I might as well share with you how I paint these. This, by the way, was a new one I did. Isn't that cute? I have rosemary and basil in my garden, and then I made these cute little tags with a recipe, actually a recipe basil pesto by avocado basil pesto by Candice Kumai. I love her food. So I did that here. And then this is the page that I wanted to add my little flowers. So watch how easy this is, guys. Use an 8-round brush. I'm just going to get that wet. Might use this one. That one's a little bit softer. This is a little bit snappier. And I'm using my turntable over here. Hold on, let me just try to get that so you can see it. There we go. And I'm going to make them pink since my background is kind of pink. There we go. Okay. So I'm just spraying my Meiliang paints you see me use all the time. These are just the tubes. Same thing that's in the pans. And let's go ahead. Okay, so all I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some of that pink. This is in the Meiliang palette. That's the rose red. I'll just go ahead and add it to what I've got in here. I think that's a little bit of red violet. And then what I'm going to do is just, let's start up here. I'm line my brush on its side. So I've got the point out and not going to put a ton of pressure. And just like that, that's it. And look at these fun flower strokes it makes. I mean, you can't get easier than that. Right? And what a cute card. You could even vary those colors if you wanted. Let's do another one right here. Dab, 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 dab. Let's do one maybe facing downwards. But look what a cute little design. So, this doesn't have to be real difficult. I think that's what happens a lot of times is, oops, I did that one backwards. We make it too difficult and then we don't even want to paint because we don't enjoy it. Or that's my experience. Might even make a couple of these look like they're on their side. So once I do that, just rinsing my brush, and I'm going to pick up some of that green. That is the tree green I just happen to have in my palette. And very light pressure, just using the tip of my brush and start creating some of those stems. I'm going to grab a little bit more of my tree green here. Tap, tap, tap some of that extra off. I love simple, you guys. That's kind of my thing because I just want to enjoy painting. But look how cute. And then maybe a few little, we're going to use the same kind of strokes for just some little tap, tap, tap. About 50% water, 50 pigment. Some little tiny, don't want too many. Maybe some leaves sticking out the back. like that. Perfect. That's it, guys. I'll probably write one more quote down here. So give this a try. It would be a really cute card. These are just some other pages here in my junk journal. Every day I write, how was I my best? Little things I did. This is one of my paintings. This is a new one. Look how cool that is. I created this see-through thing here. Not even sure what I'm going to do there. So anyways, happy painting, guys. I hope you give this a try. So much fun, so easy, and you know, have some fun in there. You could add more colors. Maybe some yellow would be really pretty. And most of all, it's all about having fun, discovering your style, what you enjoy, and I'll be right here to remind you, you are an artist.